ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá mo ní wọ́n pa ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn ní ìlú Ọ̀wọ̀ àṣírí ti tú o bó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ bó ṣe jẹ́ ìdí tó fi rí bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn tó rán wọn níṣẹ́ àṣírí ti tú o Tinubu ẹ̀yin ẹ máa wò ó gbogbo ẹnu mo fi sọ ikú burúkú ló máa padà pa máa yẹn.
All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Well, my people, a lot of things have been revealed. Well, we have been saying this, that everybody needs to wake up. We have talked about this, that everyone needs to be prayerful. Everyone needs to be vigilant. A lot of people who have been shouting Yòrùbá lókàn, Yòrùbá lókàn. You have heard things for yourselves. Well, a lot of things have been dished out. I'm going to dish out many things to you because this man actually spoke in English, and then I will be translating that to the benefit of my followers who have been talking about the fact that they don't understand Yoruba, but they are so much interested in the Yoruba Nation movement. Well, according to what had been gathered by this Yoruba Nation agitator, well, this is coming from a right source right now, that the invasion of the Fúláñi that happened in Ondo State Church or war. The last time that a lot of people were killed in that church on a Sunday where they were worshiping their God. Well, if you remember very well, a lot of people actually sympathized with the late people, with the people who died in that church on that Sunday, to the extent some couple who just wedded on Saturday, they went to the church on Sunday for Thanksgiving. They were also killed by these Fúláñi killers. And right now, as you can see on your screen, that is the picture of the church where it happened in Ondo State, where majority of people actually cried and they were like, what is going on in the country? What is happening? Well, if you remember very well, a lot of dignitaries, a lot of politicians came to sympathize with the governor of Ondo State as at then, including Bola Ahmed Tinubu, as you can see in this picture. He came around and he donated about 75 million naira to the people, to the town, to the family of the late people who died in the process. Not knowing that this set of people, Tinubu himself was one of the people who actually admitting to make this happen. Well, a lot of things had actually been said, and then if you have been following the politics in Nigeria, you will notice, you will discover that Tinubu has been saying it, that it is his turn. Anything that it will take, he must get there. And I think this is what we are seeing right now. Well, with what had been gathered, it had been said that Tinubu had meetings with some top monarchs in Yoruba land, and before this ugly incident was actually brought about, was actually executed, so to say. Well, and right now, majority of people died in the process. What is actually happening in this country, Nigeria? When the people are shouting Yoruba Nation want to go our separate ways, now you can see the reason why this is very important, that everybody needs to follow it. Because right now, according to the information reaching us, it has been gathered that Tinubu had sold all Yoruba lands to the Fulanis. That is so serious. Well, this had been said, this had been gathered from a right source. Well, my people, many things are actually happening in the country. What is the problem with everyone in the country? No wonder this set of people have made up their minds that either do or die. In fact, any which way, now do or die, this thing, they must get there, and then at the detriment of the innocent souls. What is happening in Nigeria? What is happening to our people? What is that thing that you are looking for as a human being? That the next thing is you need to take people's life before you know that you want to get that thing, that in any means, in any which way, human being like you want to take their life. And exactly what is going on right now. Well, with the news reaching us, with the information reaching us, it had been gathered that Tinubu, even the king, the monarch in Ondo State, knew about how these people were killed in Ondo State. Well, the name of the governor was not mentioned. I'm not sure the governor know about it, but they kept on mentioning the name of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that he had meetings with the Fúláñis. Even the president knew about it, what is going on. And then, if you listen very well from the beginning, the Yoruba Nation agitator had rained a very big curse on Bola Ahmed Tinubu, on the kind of death that will happen to him. That is serious, my people. What is going on? This is why everybody needs to wake up. And he has said it, that for all those who have been shouting Yoruba Lokon, Yoruba Lekon, he said he pitied them because they don't know what they are doing. Because they are just there. They are just shouting simply because of maybe peanuts that have been given to them. That this is the time they all need to wake up. That is serious. Well, a lot of people have been like, no wonder Bola Ahmed Tinubu came there. He donated that huge sum of money, not knowing that he knew what happened. But the question right now is this: why taking the life of innocent souls simply because you want to become a president? Why killing innocent people simply because you want to be at the top? That is serious. Well, and then right now, a lot of people are not like, so the country to which we have found ourselves, there is no way we can be safe anymore. And exactly what it is. There's no way we can be saved anymore. No wonder the clergymen had been of the opinion that Bola Ahmed Tinubu, if you try to force yourself on that throne, you will not stay long. You will not live to rule. And they know a lot of things had been said. Because right now, we need to believe all these clergymen. We need to believe all these prophets, because you cannot say you want to kill and want to enjoy. God can never allow that to happen. And exactly, we are now getting it. We now understand where this whole thing is coming from. That is serious. And the majority of people actually said it, that as far as Bola Ahmed Tinubu is concerned, he doesn't care. All he wants he just wants his name to be written as one of Nigeria's presidents. Either if he lives there in no time, it's none of his business. And to me and to you, do you think this is a good idea? Do you think this is making any sense? That is serious. That is to tell you that this so-called Shetima, who had been his running mate, is going to take take charge of the entire country. Because we heard a lot of things today, that even Atiku, that the North had a very bad plan against him. That is to tell you that the only person that they want to rule the country will now be Shetima, in case of necessity, if Bola Ahmed Tinubu is no more. So what are we talking about? Well, my people, majority of things though have been said onto this. No more. If you can think very well right now, you will understand what is happening. Well, Yoruba Nation are going back, exactly what the people are talking about. All right, my people, this exactly what it is. What more can we say? Well, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.